Hi everyone, this is Rick, and I am doing a Jane Esselstyn channel Pro Athlete Veggie Burger. It's got broccoli, carrots, onions. We put collard greens instead of spinach because we didn't have any spinach. All that sauteed, and then we mixed it with oats and black beans, oat flour, and then we made a roasted red pepper sauce. I tasted that's really good. And then we topped it with tomato slices, avocado, and fresh jalapeno slices that were pickled. And it looks delicious. It looks really nutritional benefits while cooking it, making it. So this is going to be the healthiest burger we've ever had. So thank you for watching.